How I can encourage my baby to smile. The first conversation you have with your baby is a smile. Seeing your baby look up at you and smile for the first time is a moment that will melt your heart. How can I encourage my baby to smile? First, your happiness determines your baby's happiness. To encourage your baby to smile, to keep smiling, you need to always smile at your baby whenever he or she is awake. Hello, champion. Hello, hello, son. Hello. Can you see? But you see that smile during sleep is a reflexive smile. It is not a big deal yet. The big smile is when your baby is awake. Keep smiling at them when they are awake. One day, they will respond with a smile too. Always make eye contact. Talk to your baby like an adult. Encourage your baby to smile because it is a major milestone in your baby's development. Start smiling, golden moms, and keep smiling.